two popular money transfer apps, Taptap Send and Remitly. Both claim to be the top choice for sending money abroad. But which one really delivers? On the left, Taptap Send, zero fees and lightning-fast mobile transfers. And on the right, Remitly, flexible delivery, broader global reach. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's the mind map. These are all the categories we're about to compare. Transfer fees, speed and delivery, coverage and reach, safety and security, user experience, and lastly, exchange rates. Ready? Let's jump into it. Okay, first up, transfer fees. And oh man, I gotta say, Taptap Send is kind of wild here. They advertise zero transfer fees in most corridors. Yeah, zero. For real. No hidden charges lurking in the shadows. And if you're just sending a smaller amount, it's super cost effective. So how do they make money? Well, they do sneak in their profit through exchange rate margins. But if you're just comparing sticker price, they're crushing it. Now, Remitly, or, the old guard, their fees are, honestly, totally transparent. And they'll tell you up front, but expect flat fees of like $3.99 or more, especially if you want things fast. Express transfers? Gonna cost you. So yeah, if you care about keeping those fees low, Taptap Send's taking the cake here. Next, let's talk speed and delivery. How quickly does your money actually get there? Taptap Send is all about near-instant transfers, mostly for mobile wallets, sometimes within minutes, which is pretty awesome. The catch? They aren't as hot on traditional bank transfers, so your delivery options are a bit more limited. But if you've got someone who needs cash ASAP, it's perfect. Now, Remitly's got range. You can choose from bank deposits, cash pickups, even home delivery if you're feeling fancy. Those express transfers are super speedy. But, and here's the hitch, if you go for economy, you might be waiting like 3 to 5 days. So, if speed's everything and you don't need all the options, Taptap Send is great. But if you love choice, Remitly's right there too. Honestly, this one's a tie. All right, let's talk coverage. Where can you actually send money? Taptap Send is growing fast, especially in Africa and Asia. So if your people are there, they're in good hands. You can send from all the main hubs: UK, EU, US, UAE, Canada, Australia. But compared to Remitly, it's still kind of limited. Now, Remitly? Oh, they've got serious global reach. More countries served, longer history, and just a bigger footprint overall. If you want flexibility, or you've got friends or family scattered basically anywhere, Remitly's your pick, hands down. Quick tip, both of these apps hook you up with discounts on your very first transfer. Seriously, why not try one out risk-free? Now, safety and security. Super important, right? Taptap Send is fully licensed and regulated. They've got strong encryption and partner with trusted banks. So you're not going rogue here, but they're kind of the new kids, so not as established reputation-wise. Remitly, on the other hand, is basically Fort Knox. Bank-grade encryption, real fraud monitoring, regulated all over the world, including the US. Setup is a smidge more complex, but if you want the peace of mind that comes with years in the game, Remitly's ahead. Let's chat user experience. Taptap Send gets a 4.7 on Google Play, which, honestly, means people like it. The app is clean, setup is quick and simple, and even if you're totally new to sending money, you'll figure it out fast. There are occasional customer support hiccups, but nothing deal-breaking. Remitly is sitting at 4.6, which is solid. Tons of pro features, though. Real-time tracking, promo codes, and even an on-time delivery guarantee. Their interface is just a little more complicated, and looking at the reviews, it's a mixed bag depending on what you want. So, if you're after straight-up simplicity, Taptap Send wins. Last up, exchange rates. Taptap Send has competitive rates, and their pricing is pretty clear, which is kind of rare in this space. Just a heads up, they make money through those little margins, so it might not be perfect for everything, but it's usually better than most. Remitly shows you their rates up front, but here's the kicker. Their margin is usually higher, especially on economy transfers, sometimes like 1 to almost 4% above the mid-market rate, depending on where you're sending. If squeezing every dollar out matters to you, Taptap Send is looking good here. So here's how both apps stack up side by side. Fees, speed, coverage, security, experience, exchange rates. We've got some clear wins, some draws. If you need a visual, check out the radar chart. You'll see those strengths and quirks for each. So, which should you pick? If you want zero-fee, super simple mobile wallet transfers, especially if you're sending to Africa or Asia, Taptap Send is honestly hard to beat. But if you're after flexible delivery options, and you want to send money to more places, Remitly is the way to go. Depends on what you need, but those are the strengths. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.